Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye still 2. I'm joined by
Khotso from Centurion and Stakespret.
Yes.
Man now Maschaba.
Yeah, Ujoang Maschaba.
Man now get him for the past 7-8 years.
Hey.
I saw since
You've never even cheated.
Today get to a Fosloras.
Yes.
Unale a secondary home in Fosloras.
Hey.
Kerna ki asira mo rari shebele TV kerno orne which means Sundowns ke mosadi wa gape.
Hey.
Steve Onjoy's again to him. Sundowns, it's my blood. I supported Sundowns from 1987.
You lie.
But now my wife, she's telling me, but she's my wife. I'm living with her. But I didn't agree with her. I'm putting it in public tonight. Yes. Because Relema Sandawana, we are not happy.
Why are you not happy?
About the kind of football that is being played by this team.
Yes. Yes.
In fact,
yes.
It's not the football that we know.
It's not.
And I'm afraid.
Of what?
We're playing Orlando Pirates, got the 8. They got the 8th of February.
You're right.
Pirates are I'm fit. I cannot jealous, but if you still play like this, Pirates it's on fire. Let me tell you one thing that you don't know, Steve-O. Once again, I learned something tonight.
What did you learn?
We should have killed the rabbit. This team, we could have walloped it.
Yes.
We allowed it to score 2 goals.
Yes. Why?
This coach name
Cardoso.
I don't want to be personal, but
you can.
This is not the Sundowns we know.
Yeah.
If you remember Steve-O many years ago,
Yes.
He was pushing a similar agenda like this guy.
Which is?
Defensive football.
Yes.
I don't single people, but Mangoba Mngiti was scoring. But defensively was not poor. But Mfeto, like now.
Laughing stop.
I don't know how to tell you a lie. I'll be with you here. Kadi 8th of February.
Yes.
I'm very scared. But I think I have all the tools to do the job. But the game, I don't care about the Soweto Derby.
Yes.
Do you know, Steve-O, in my life, from 1987, I attended the stadium.
Yeah.
I watched only 2 Soweto Derbies.
Yes.
Are you aware of that?
No, I didn't. No.
Only 2 derbies I attended.
Yes.
Because they are not interesting.
True.
In South Africa, the most interesting football is either Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates or Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs.
True.
Njoba tlabe badlala kai ko Nasrek ba re ke ka imola pela so yeah mola ba ro dlala Steve-O wa tseba next week
o dlala
Derby King da
Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates
sold out in 2 weeks.
Mamela, Steve. I said it before. Nedbank, I appreciate it. It's FA of South African football.
Yeah.
Nedbank.
Yeah.
I appreciate Nedbank what is doing.
Yes.
And then Obana team says one of the Chiefs. The Pirates.
Yes.
Yeah, I won't say much. National history, power lines in Northern Cape, 24. You know.
In 1K.
And Casito Malutia Viti, you know, over Pirates.
Yes.
Kaiser Chiefs, you remember, ne? Mare Stivo, Erigit Quiet. Erigit Quiet, ne? To go power, no. Samale FNB next week. I'll watch my TV, ne?
Yes.
Kitabegi du Tilem Pinchagas, Pepelo Congo, Ogidwa Kitamale.
Yes.
From Friday, Pepelo Congo, Tabegi du Tilem, Kisbarsa. Yes. So Kitabegi du Tilena, Majitaga, Tabaduti TV in the Eastern Cape, Bongani Magata, Linkoso Muzikunya.
Yeah.
We are not here to be bullied by my outsiders, like Kaiser Chiefs supporters and the Paris supporters. But Kita Studio next came here Arunai away Kita Studio.
Yes.
But guys, I'm not
happy with Cardoso's football. You're not happy with
I'm not happy about what is happening in this team.
Miguel Cardoso kubeka dlala so. Bayetse.
Mfethu.
Management yetse. Management yetse.
Last time I spoke to you, Steve, can I say something? Last time I spoke to you, I said the draw is the next day.
Yes.
And I'm gonna play Al Hilal, and it never happened. When is the draw of Champions League quarterfinal?
I don't know.
So whatever or whoever we meet,
yes,
it's okay with us. We'll survive that. But Pirates, I have the heart for it. But they were not Langati.
On your head.
Mfethu, that star, whether it comes to Sundowns or Pirates,
yes,
to South African soil,
yes,
it must come. We made a lot of enemies in Africa, I know.
Yeah.
But the thing is, Cardoso I'm happy that it's
yes.
I'm happy about that.
Yeah.
But I think Klopi must check between the lines. What's happening here? I don't want to comment on Flemingberg.
Yes.
Because I'll be...
Talk about Flemingberg.
No. No. Steve, thanks. Kalebo Abafet.